In this video, I'm about to unveil one of the most effective marketing strategies that can transform your nutrition coaching business. Hey guys, my name is Eric Martinez. I'm one of the head coaches and founders of Dynamic Fit Pros, where we help coaches start, build, and scale their coaching businesses to 10K months. Just like we helped our amazing coach and friend, Roxanne. She went from 0K months to literally 8K months in her nutrition coaching business. All right, strategy number one is the power of video content marketing. Guys, let's be real here. Content is king, but even more, video is king, because what video does is it expedites the know, like, trust factor for you guys to, again, be those go-to nutrition coaches and build that quick trust and authority with your guys' perfect future clients. So you guys have to understand, and get really good at getting on camera and just perfecting that skill set. And I'll be honest, guys, look, when I first started, I sucked at it. And it's part of it. It's just sets and reps and just getting better and better, watching film, just like athletes do. Every master was once a disaster. So you're gonna be a disaster before you become a master. So you have to get good at video content marketing and really build up that skill set. So the next part with this is the different types of video content marketing. You guys could do long form, which is more between maybe 15 to 20 minutes. You could do YouTube style, or you guys can do short form, right? Where that's more just reels, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, going live on Instagram and Facebook, those type of things. Or you guys could do a podcast format. Those are all different formats of just video content marketing, to where, again, test them all out and just see which ones work the best. And again, what this is going to do over time, position you as that authoritative figure as a nutrition coach. But again, you have to play the long game with this, guys. And just think about this. When you get really good and consistent with your guys' video content marketing, this stuff lives on. It's evergreen. It can never be replicated. It can never be taken away from you, to where it's you just never know, as your audience grows, they're gonna keep coming across all this content and just value that you've been giving away for years and years, to where, again, they will convert at some point. So be very strategic with that and play the long game with that. And then understand this too, be yourself on camera. The worst thing you could do is try and be somebody that you're not. Showcase your personality, talk about your values, talk about your interests, stick your flagpole on the ground to what you stand for as a nutrition coach with your different specialties, methods, and philosophies. Okay, the second strategy is consistency, guys. You guys have probably heard us, we sound like a broken record with this, but it's the truth. And I'm just being honest that you have to be consistent with all the stuff that you do as a business owner. So when you guys have your guys' nutrition coaching business and you guys are creating and dedicating and honoring and committing to doing video content to help and serve and educate people, you guys got to be consistent. Literally just have that mentality of just like it's not about you, it's about helping and serving other people. The mission's so much greater, to where it doesn't matter what kind of a day you're having, what kind of a week, what you're going through, any limiting beliefs. You still have to show up and provide content and provide value to people. And an example for us with this too, guys, is, again, we're always doubling down on our content, to where it's we're posting, 2 reels, per day on Instagram. We're actually doing, 2 YouTube videos per week. And we just bought into the consistency and understanding that this is not about us, that we're helping and serving, an audience to educate and inspire and help you guys take action. So again, get into a flow and a rotation to where you're gonna make that commitment and make no excuses and just be consistent and show up. Okay, the third strategy is, again, creating some form of content calendar, or just batching up your guys' content when it comes to video creation. So a really good ninja tip with this, and I tell this to my nutrition coaching students in my program, is just pick one day out of the month and just time block anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, where you're gonna sit there and batch up either 2 to 4 weeks worth of your guys' video content. And all you have to do is just pick different sceneries just around you, where you're gonna just do maybe 5 here, 5 there, and 5 over here, to where it's just different sceneries. Then you guys can bring a couple different pairs of clothes with you to change, so you're not wearing the same polo, the same outfit, and people are kind of why is this person always wearing the same shirt in all these videos? So just be strategic with that, where you're just content batching and just making a commitment to just time block and just sit there and make things easier on yourself. Again, start thinking like a business owner, to where it's how do I sit there and make things so much easier? And then you get into the whole thing of you start stacking all this different content, and you have a big library, to where now you can get into the game of content repurposing. So then you have so much video and stuff, to where it's now you can just rinse and repeat and not always have the pressure of creating brand new videos, to where it's you can just repurpose that and then people will never know because your audience is always building. So that video that might have been done like a month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, it's brand new to them. And that might just be that one video or message where it's like, they're like, wow, that's my nutrition coach, I'm gonna take action. All right, guys, so let's recap these 3 strategies. So the first one is, again, just really understanding the power and strategy behind video content marketing. The second one was, again, just showing up and being consistent, committing to this journey and just educating people as a nutrition coach and always showing up, giving value to people. The third one was just, have a content calendar and being strategic and batching up all your guys' video content. If you guys are ready to, take your nutrition coaching business to that next level, to 10K months, like I talked about earlier, our student Roxanne, then guys, I'm inviting you to a free 6-figure roadmap call where, again, there's not gonna be any credit cards, we're not gonna pitch you anything, we're not gonna interrogate you, it's gonna be a loose call. I'm gonna add value to you, learn more about your nutrition coaching business, identify those roadblocks, and just see how I can best help and serve you. But number one, right, you have to, at least be 1 to 2 years in as a nutrition coach. You have to be making over $2,000 and have 5 clients or more in order to, qualify for this call. So if that's you and you need help with your nutrition coaching business, click the link below in the description box, book in that call, and we'll have a great time with that. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Implement those action steps to your guys' nutrition coaching business, and I'll see you guys in the next video.